Introducing our family of 120-tooth Cornwell Blue Power ratchets. With a 120-tooth ratcheting mechanism with an exceptionally low 3-degree swing arc, these ratchets provide unmatched performance in confined workspaces. The single pawl design provides a low back drag while achieving a peak torque rating 1.5 times the industry standard. Their sealed ratchet heads keep shop contaminants out for maximum tool life. 1/4 inch, 3/8, and 1/2 inch drive sizes are available in both fixed and flex head variations in a variety of lengths. Also, check out our industry-leading 14-inch long 1/4 inch flex head. Whether you're an experienced professional or it's your first day on the job, Cornwell's line of 120-tooth Blue Power ratchets can help you get the job done. Available from your local Cornwell dealer.